What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we're looking at a brand new truck for Mix 11, which is none other than Razin Kane. Alright, so here is a truck, just like with Bounty Hunter, another truck that you guys have been asking for a long time in diecast form, and it's pretty cool. Razin Kane. Now, me personally, I know absolutely nothing about this truck. I've never seen it before. I didn't watch Monster Jam when it was there, which is pretty sad because a lot of you guys told me that this thing was pretty cool when it was out there. It was a cool looking truck. It was awesome, all that, and I never got to see it. But yeah, I don't know much about it. But anyway, it's cool to see. It's cool to see a brand new truck being made, and it's also one cool thing with this is the truck has all of its sponsors, everything on it, so it looks just like the real life truck. So Mix 11, this truck, this is in some pretty tough company here. Mix 11 has been really solid. So as you guys can tell, it's a blue roll cage. It looks like a chrome chassis. I can't really tell yet. And it looks like dark blue rims. It does have printed headlights and the grille, so standard pickup body. And this is also the only pickup truck besides the ride truck in this mix, which I don't think that's happened yet with Spinmaster. But as you see the rest of the mix here, we got Dragon, Batman, Elemental, Gravedigger, World Finals, Bounty Hunter, Soldier Fortune, Black Ops, and then we got the Reckless truck, Savager, which is pretty cool. Another Nitro Neon with Alien Invasion, and then of course the ride truck. But yeah, Razin Kane, I sadly don't know much about this truck, but it is cool to see all the sponsors, and I think that it's a chrome roll cage, so the only way we're going to find that out is by opening this thing up, and I can't wait to see this because I never really personally looked at this truck, and I don't know much about it, so let's crack this thing open and take a hard look at it. So here it is, guys, one of the most anticipated trucks, Razin Kane. It's cool to see this truck in the diecast form. I know a lot of you guys have been dying to see this thing in a diecast truck. I don't know if Hot Wheels ever made one. I think they did, and I think it was back in like 2015, 2014, somewhere in that ballpark. I have no idea when. Sadly, I stopped. I did collect all these up until 2009. And then I kind of fell off the face of the earth and stopped collecting. However, I am starting to collect again, and this truck is pretty cool. So Razin Kane comes with a black wristband, which just does not have the truck's name on it. It is just a genetic wristband that is black. That's pretty cool, I guess. And then the truck itself is a nice white color. It also does have a chrome chassis, so I was right on that. A blue roll cage, blue rims, and it does have the blue little stripe on the hood of the truck and on the roof of the truck, which is pretty cool as well. And Razin Kane also does have, I think this truck was a Dodge in real life, but it does have the painted taillights, which is pretty cool, and it has the blue stripe here. One thing I can say, even though these like plates right here are not on the real life trucks, if Spinmaster made it just go down, like a pinstripe all the way down or whatever, that would have been cool, but I totally get why they didn't do it. One thing I like about this truck is it does have its sponsors on it, and I think that's pretty cool. I like how they try to make the truck look just like the real thing. Obviously with the pickup casting, you can't have the Dodge, front end. We saw that before with the BKT ride truck, how that can't be the Ford front end, but it's not that far off. So here's the BKT. Obviously that's supposed to be a Ford, but they can't legally do that. And then this truck, I believe, was a Dodge in real life. I'm not too sure on that. If I'm not right, I'm sorry, but it couldn't be made, but it does look good. I do like the headlights. The headlights look new, actually. They look kind of different. This could be me, but I do think the headlights look different, maybe. And then the pickup trucks from last year, it could be just the decals are a little more clearer this year. a little more steady and just better looking all around. But yeah, it's tough to really look at this truck and know it because, like I said, I don't know it as well. A lot of you guys did want this truck to be made. This truck was really good when it was on tour, from what I was told, and seeing how like everyone in the community wanted this truck to be made by Hot Wheels, and they did make one, but it was eh. And now Spinmaster came out, and obviously the trucks are much better with Spinmaster. And seeing that, you know, it has all the legit sponsors that this truck did have. Now it might be missing a couple. I think someone said somewhere, it could have been Monster Jam OCD, where, you know, it was a Dodge Ram or something like that. You know, that's okay. Like, I get all that. But pretty cool truck. A truck that we were really anticipating. A truck that a lot of collectors wanted, a lot of kids wanted, a lot of people wanted. And this was actually one of the first trucks that got confirmed for this year. Of course, at the time we didn't know what mix it would be in, and around the same time this truck did get confirmed with Wolf's Head, which I believe Wolf's Head is going to be in mix 12 or 13. So I can't wait to see that. And just, you know, all around it's a pretty cool truck. I mean, you look at it and it's like your normal pickup truck. You know, there's really not much to talk about with it, really, but it's just cool that they added the sponsors. I think that just is the stepping stone for this truck on the diecast toy, because they could have just said no with the sponsors and the truck would have looked good still, but just plain compared to the real one. So I think Spinmaster did an okay job with it. Maybe not the best truck in this mix unless you're a die-hard fan of it, but definitely cool. I like the white on it. We haven't seen a white pickup truck yet, I believe, too. So that's new, too. But yeah, definitely cool, unique piece. Like I said, the sponsors definitely bring out the truck. And yeah, just happy to finally see it. And I know I'm just not the only one. A lot of people in this community really wanted this truck to be made. And, you know, like I said, don't know much about it, but hopefully it's to everyone's specs and it's something that a lot of people are expecting and they're happy with. But yeah, with that being said, guys, drop a like on the video. We got way more content coming out, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video.